didn't worry anything about a tag light.
How do, officer?
Good, how you doing, man?
Pretty good. My weapon's up here on the dash, by the way.
Okay.
Is there a problem?
Huh?
Is there a problem?
You got your license registration?
Yes, sir, I do. Reaching in my pocket right here, sir.
All right.
I live here, so.
Okay.
All right.
So the reason I stopped you was the yellow lights and the light around your license plate.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's legal. These are just pop-on covers.
Okay.
This Jeep's been sitting in my garage down here in Plateau for over a month. I just put a cylinder head on it tonight.
Okay.
Out for a test drive. You can see all the grease on me.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you. So.
You got registrations in here somewhere. We ain't drove this thing in about a month. So.
All right.
There it is. There you go.
All right. I'm gonna go check all this. You said that's your weapon?
Yeah.
All right.
Yep, that's my 45.
All right. I'm gonna hold on to it while I'm with you, okay?
Sure. Go right ahead.
Go ahead. Snoop around.
All right. You got the Springfield?
Yeah.
All right. All right. So the covers there, it's gotta be a white light in the front.
Well, I say I just bought them and
Yeah.
I popped them on there because I use them in the snow because you can't see jack with these white lights in the snow. It's got white headlights on it, but
okay. And the that back there, the biggest thing is at night it's so bright I can't see your tag.
yeah.
So
Well,
that'd be the biggest thing with that.
I actually have some tag lights on that. I know my brother does a lot of this lighting.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you know him or not, just too.
Okay.
But anyways, there's nowhere in the statue on it. We've done some searching. I'm not, trying to be a butthole or nothing like that. I know you're just doing your job, but if you can you show me in the statue?
What's that?
Just on that tag.
Okay. Yeah.
Just.
I'll be back in a minute.
All right.
Chapter 20, 130 is where it is in it.
What's that?
The law for it.
It's chapter 20, yeah.
Chapter 20 is 130 if you want to look it up. And the tag light, it's in chapter 12.
What?
The minimum requirement for the tag light, it's in chapter 12 if you want to look it up.
No. I didn't worry anything about a tag light.
Yeah, I'm talking about the visibility of it. It's supposed to be 50 feet away.
Can I cut the lights off? Because I don't know how good this battery is.
Turn the lights off.
Okay.
I told him he's got yellow lights, it's showing yellow in the front, they gotta be white. But that thing was so bright, I can't read this tag.
Yeah.
I can dim it.
Engine run all right?
Yeah, it runs good.
Good.
I'm just out doing my job and I get pulled over. It's amazing, ain't it? I told her he was going to pull me over.
Yeah,
I knew it.
At least I already know what the statutes are for them.
So do I.
They don't ask for my license since it's my name.
It don't matter.
Oh, you're not driving?
Yeah. This is going on YouTube too. I'm recording right now.
Okay.
It's amazing, man. I get out, I work, I sweat my ass off, putting a cylinder head on the motor, and I take it out to take it a little test drive, and I'm breaking the damn law.
I thought I heard you pull in, but
I pointed, I'm pulling in right here, because he waited until I turned in right here.
yeah.
He took my pistol with me, or with him.
And Dad looked out the window and said, "No, it's a cop." I said, "Oh, really?"
It's amazing, man. I don't bother nobody.
Yeah.
And all these damn dope heads on the, like that dope head on the crotch rocket. See, YouTube, this is what I go through.
You're allowed to.
I never even broke the speed limit.
Yeah.
I figured he'd pull me for
How is it too bright?
the first trip with those yellow headlights.
Where's the remote?
What about that Toyota truck that drives around here with the blue headlights and blue fog lights?
And blue
You're
tag
allowed to
lights.
have wider amber on the front. Do what?
And the blue tag light on it.
Yeah. I don't know.
Where's the remote for that tag?
It's down here underneath my scan tool.
What's his name? Got pulled over. He's running a blue underglow the other day on Highway 7.
Yeah.
That guy that works out there at Food Line.
Show me in the statue. That's what I want. Show me in the statue.
The only thing on the tags is, like I said, 50 feet visibility.
Well, you can see that from 50 feet away because remember those tag lights we put on it?
Well, it's like I said, to be 50 feet away going down the highway, you have to be tailgating.
Yeah, 50 feet. That's,
So, you can read it further back than that.
yeah. This Jeep hadn't even seen 700 miles and I'm already getting pulled for shit.
Yeah. As I say, that's an attention getter.
It's amazing. Truly amazing. YouTube.
Dude, say
I
hi
bet
to
your
the
dad's-
inventor.
I bet your dad's mad.
It's me, it's Jeep Joe.
Yeah, that's right. This Jeep hadn't touched highway in well over a month.
You want me to take it back here and show them what the tag frame looks like?
Sure, why not? What are you doing with that?
I am. I'll turn the parking lights on. It's still in full brightness right now because you didn't have the parking lights on a while ago. No.
Hey, I'm taking them off. Put them in the back.
Got good tag lights, so they're real bright.
They ain't blinding him.
It's like I said, there's not a law against it, a statute against it.
It's because it's too bright.
There's nothing in the law about that.
No, it's got to be visible from 50 feet away.
Yeah.
I see people with light covers dry rotted all the time.
Yeah. That's like I said, it's an attention getter, what it is.
I know.
It gives them a learning experience to learn something new.
What is?
Well, like I told him, I'm not trying to be a dickhead. I'm just, you know, there's a lot more shit out there. He thinks he's going to get something out of this traffic stop.
I know. That's why they pulled him.
I know.
Just like that guy with that Lexus that got pulled by that city cop that time. They found him on that.
He's searching hard back there.
Yeah.
He's trying to find that statue, I guess.
I just looked it up last week. That's why I knew exactly what the number was.
Yeah.
Pulled you over and say, "Oh, call him up." He couldn't find nothing either.
Hurry up, dude. I'm cold.
What's the temperature readout on there?
It was 29.
Yeah,
Still is.
pretty cold.
My toes are cold and I got.
I ain't that bad.
insulated
My
socks
my
on.
feet's nice and toasty in these boots.
My hands are
I was
cold.
in the house where it's warm.
Yeah.
Of course.
All right, man. There's the license, registration,
Alrighty.
all that stuff back there.
All right. Yep.
All right. Like I said, I ain't trying to write you no tickets or nothing, man. So
I run a YouTube channel, so.
as far as the rear, so like you said, 50 feet. You got to be able to see within 50 feet. There's also you got to have operating a vehicle, a license plate emitting a color other than white. So it can't be anything other than white for your license plate light. Or there's also another one for illuminating a light other than those allowed by law on the rear of the vehicle.
Yeah. See, that's one thing I don't understand about that. See, they kind of contradict themselves. They say no clear to the rear. So technically, if that thing was white, it would be legal, right?
Well,
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
No, because that would more or less that would be considered a light other than allowed by vehicle. The bulbs you got there for the license plate light, those are the ones that have to be white per that. It says license plate light. I mean that's kind of a license plate light that goes around there. So
It's kind of a gray area.
yeah.
Yeah, it's real confusing.
That's why I told a lot of my